Okay, allow me to explain myself. I am not late, okay? I'm not late. I'm not late. I'm not late. I know my phone, and probably your phone too, says 1:18 or whatever, okay? But my computer says 1:15, and I set the timer, the countdown timer, for 1:15, so there you go, and so I go by the timer, okay? So I'm not late. The stream was originally scheduled for one. Oh yeah, that's true. That is true. So it's not late if I delayed. It's different. See, there's a difference. I delayed the stream. I did not. I'm not late. There's a difference. Anyway, let me show you what we're doing today. Should I tweet this? Probably. I'm gonna tweet this real quick. Hold on. Okay, I just tweeted making a game in 3 hours. That could be interpreted to mean that 3 hours from now I'm going to be making a game. That's not what this is. Anyway, okay. Then the timer said waiting for XTG, so you were late. No. What? No. No. What's everyone's favorite part of the stream? Guess. What is that? What does that mean? Hold on, let me show. Let me desktop capture. Boom. Desktop capture. Look at this timer. So XCG, what's my question? Okay. Well, there's two possible ones. It's either about Discord or it's about Honeypop. Speedrunning. I have an answer to both of those. So, guess what I'm gonna ask about? Probably Discord first. I'm guessing Discord comes first. That's my guess. If I had to, so that would be my correct. Awesome. What do I win? Do I win something? Do I win? Oh, I just showed. Oh, that's fine. I can show that. I forgot I was capturing my window. Anyway, all right. So we're doing the Trijam today, which is you have to make a game in 3 hours, and it has to be about triangles. That's the theme, is triangles. There was a poll where we can vote on the theme, and the theme triangles won. Everyone's game is just gonna be a bunch of triangles. That's such a stupid theme. But anyway, I voted for 3 dimensions because I feel like that there's a lot of ways you can interpret that. Whereas triangles, everyone's game is just gonna be a bunch of triangles, including the one we're making today. Anyway, when's Discord? Oh, funny you should ask. Funny you should ask. Hold on, how do I... what scene can I go to? I don't really want to show it. Hold on. I can just do that. Okay. Asteroids is about triangles. I have an idea for the game already. I have an idea. Also, there's more than triangles in asteroids. There's meteors and UFOs, I think. There's UFOs, right? I'm pretty sure that's... yeah, anyway. Hold on a second. I see. I have a link right here that I'm gonna post in chat. There you go. Look at that. It's a nice looking link, if I do say so myself. Just putting it there for safekeeping, you know. Can I show what's on my screen right now? I guess so. Whoops, I just joined this voice thing. I can show this, yeah. Okay, so, hey Christian, what's up? You're just in time for me to show my Discord that I made for this stuff. I'll give you VIP role if you want to join or whatever. So Matthew was talking about bots and stuff in Discord. There's no bots. I don't know why I would need bots, frankly. I don't need bots. Maybe I'll add bots, but I don't need bots. It's not a very robust server, not a ton going on in it, but yeah. Also, hey, go subscribe to Christian's channel, QuestGG. He does gaming stuff, and sometimes I'm on there, and sometimes Jude is on there. I don't know if you know who Jude is, but yeah. Okay, going to bed just saw you were streaming. Yep, I am doing that. We're gonna make a game in 3 hours about triangles or something. Should be fun. Yeah, YouTube got rid of like the thing where you could feature channels on the right side. So now I had to feature channels as like a row on the channel, and I had to, whatever. It's weird, but yeah. And also, you can't like go to people's channels by clicking on their name in the chat. So if you want to go to Christian's channel, go to my channel, and then at the bottom there's like a friends section, and his channel will be there. So I can help you get some bots on board. Do I need bots though? What do I need bots for? What are bots gonna do for me? Why do I need bots? Explain. What do I need bots for? So the 10th message someone sends, they're gonna be like, "Oh, you're level 4, chatter. Congratulations." I don't need that. That shit's annoying. Bots can auto mod, play music. Why do I need to play? I don't need to play music. What do you mean play music? Keep count of people in the Discord. What? Why are these things necessary? And auto mod. Okay, auto mod might be useful because I would prefer auto mod to like having mods. Or alert you when someone joins. That already happens. Listen, I'm not worried about it, okay? I don't need a bot. I don't need a bot. They're not necessarily nice to have. I mean, I'll look, you know, if maybe bots, I don't know, but I don't need them now. Right now, we're fine. Okay, so let me run down this video game, okay? So we're gonna start off with our favorite shape, the triangle. How do I can't make an equilateral triangle. Okay, imagine this is an equilateral triangle. Oh wait, there's one up there. Okay, equilateral triangle-ish. Okay. So this is our player. Okay, they're gonna be in the middle of the screen, and they're gonna have a green surface, a green surface, a red surface, and like a blue surface. I don't know. We can figure out the specific colors later, but and then so the player is gonna rotate the triangle, and it's gonna have like velocity, so it's gonna feel like you're like spinning a wheel or something. And there's gonna be objects like coming in, right? That's not a thick enough line. It's going to be objects coming in towards the triangle, right? And then they need to spin the triangle to like match the correct surface with the object that's coming in. Can you guys see my mouse? Yeah, you can. Okay, good. Atlas is a good, yeah, Atlas good on him. The Undyne boss from Undertale. I don't know. I'm not familiar with the Undyne boss from Undertale. So if that's what this is, then okay, I guess. Then I guess that is what I'm thinking. Hey Beta, you got the scrambled eggs? Delicious. That's my favorite kind of egg, and the only type of egg I've had. So I haven't started the timer yet, because according to the rules, you don't need to start the timer, and it also doesn't need to be 3 hours straight. We're gonna do it 3 hours straight, but it could be like 1 hour today, 1 hour tomorrow, whatever. Like coming up with the idea and stuff, and also submitting doesn't count towards the 3 hours. Just developing the game is the 3 hours. So we can talk about the idea beforehand. The whole point of Undyne is that she shoots arrows at you and you have to rotate your shield to block the arrows. Oh, okay. Wait, that's not this though. There's no like color matching. We're doing color matching again apparently. My last game was also like color based, but this is the best idea I had. I could have also done something. I had a different idea where like the triangle has a different thing on each side. So like one side shoots and one side is something else and one side's another thing, but I don't know what those things are. Whatever. I'm content with this. We only have 3 hours to make it, so it's gotta be pretty simple, right? It's gotta be pretty simple. Figured out the dude never played the party, has no idea? Yeah, Yeah, I said that. I only got up to the scientist dude or whatever. I don't know. I forget. I'm just trying to think of specifics and it'll probably be should it be infinite? The thing is though, if I do infinite and it's like based off of, well, there has to be like a plateau point, right? So it has to kind of end, I feel like. Alphys is a girl? Oh, okay. My bad. Hey, Beta, there's a Discord now. Is it still in my clipboard? It is. If you have Discord, feel free to join the Discord. Okay. Yeah, I've actually had that made for like 2 days, or like maybe even 3 days, and I've specifically been waiting until I've been waiting for Matthew to ask the question about it, for it to be like, and it's here. So yeah. Okay, what? So there's probably gonna be like, I don't know actually. So like, well, he cares about me? Well, I didn't say that. No, come on. Okay. I appreciate that gesture, very kind. Is it kind? Is it kind that I waited until you asked me about it to push it? I don't know. Also, you'll be happy to know, my current plan, assuming I don't have a massive amount of homework to do Sunday night, is to attempt Honey Pop speedruns that night. So that's my plan. It won't be, it's probably going to be a stream where I learn how to speedrun it and also speedrun it, not just like runs the whole time, you know what I mean? It's going to be a learning experience. But it's probably going to be a longer stream. And earlier. Wait, when I missed it. Sunday night. It'll be scheduled, you know, as a scheduled, it'll be, you know, on the channel and whatever. So that would be, so about 48 hours from now. But less, like 46 hours or something, I don't know. Okay, let's hop into Unity, I guess. And am I ready to start the timer? I guess I can start the timer. Let's start the timer. Timer started, okay. So, is there a default sprite? circle, capsule, isometric, diamond, 9 sliced. There's no triangle, really? Okay. Well, let's start out with a square, and let's just go into Photoshop and make ourselves a triangle, I guess. The RNG of Q giving good gifts? Yeah. You in the Discord now? Nice. Beta the boss has joined the party. Awesome. Exciting. Yeah, so interesting PFP. Oh, this anime girl. Okay, let's make a triangle, eh? I believe Unity has, or not Unity. I should be able to use the polygon tool to create a 3-sided polygon. And then I can just make it bigger. This isn't quite equilateral, unfortunately. I don't think this is an equilateral triangle. Also, how do I rotate? How do I get it? I want it to be perfectly upright. Oh, I can edit this. -90. So I'm thinking of going, if I have time to do like better art, I'm thinking about going for like an Illuminati theme situation. Okay, I apparently need to do math to determine what the exact height of this needs to be. And isometric is a triangle. Wait, was that a thing you saw on here? 2D object, sprites, isometric diamond. I don't think so. No. It's 2 triangles. Doesn't count. It's a difference. I'm going to spend all of the time on the triangle. Non-anime girl to get. Well, alright. Well, I'm just misgendering everyone in the stream, apparently. I'm misgendering. What's the character? Alphys? And this guy. Think Honey Pot was made in Unity? It was indeed. It was. What was I gonna Google? I need to figure out the height. Wait. Triangle. I'm gonna Google this. Equilateral triangle dimensions? Hopefully that answers my question. How to find the height of an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangles calculator? What? Aha. So 173.2. Okay, now I have to do more math. Calculator. 173.2 divided by 200 times 100, I guess. 86.6. 86.6. Okay, this should be a perfect equilateral triangle now. if I've done this correctly. So let's export. I don't want to show all that. I mean, what I showed was fine, but documents, Unity, this, assets, gotta make a sprites folder. Sprites. Triangle. Nice. When you get the topic dating sim for one of these, I do want to make a dating sim, but that would be a much bigger project. I have some ideas. And also I'm bad at art, so I would need to... I want to wait until I have money to, like, pay an artist for it. Okay. Cool, so we got triangle, which means I can rename this to triangle. Put that there, boom. Is it gonna rotate at the right? That doesn't quite look centered. How do I fix that, actually? I don't know how to fix that. Oh, no, I don't want to open the triangle. I don't know why I would want to do that. Open. No. Pivot. Oh, I see. Custom. Y0 -1. Apply. -2? I don't know. Also, this is too big. Was this too big? Let's try 150. That's probably better. That's probably the size. That's good. I don't know. Making a dating sim so you can develop Honeypot 4 or 5. Yeah, yeah. When Honeypot retires, I'll be there. Wait, did I make the pivot worse? Why is it up here now? I'm very confused. Stop opening the triangle. Okay, I actually think what I'm doing is not doing anything. I don't think that's what this is. I think I'm stupid. Yeah, apply. Yeah, it's like moving it really far. That's not what I want. How do I change the pivot of a game object? Sprite sort point? Pivot. I don't know how to do this. Hold on, I have to Google it. And maybe I'll be in a Honey Direct. Oh, lucky me. For me to mail Yandere dating sim? I suspect if I made a dating sim, I would have a variety of different characters. Yeah. I don't know. Unity, pivot, unity rotation point. I don't know. Changing an object's rotation point. Make an empty parent and rotate that. Oh, that's a good idea. That makes sense. That makes sense. This makes sense. Okay, let's reset this. 0. Create empty. Triangle parent. Boom. So let's move. So this can be wherever. Then we can move that up, and then I don't even know if this is working. I don't feel like this is working, actually. I feel like it's doing exactly the same thing as it. Why isn't that working? I feel like that should work. Little fucking confused. Not gonna lie. Honey Pop Gold tier list videos? Maybe on Sunday. When I do the speedrun stream, I'll do one. Those people like Honey Pop 1 girls more than Honey Pop 2 girls? Yeah. No idea why they picked Lola and Jessie. Well, Lola, it made sense because of the plane. And Jessie, I feel like they just had an idea for a place to take her character. I don't know. Like, I think it's as simple as that. Honey Pop 2 dating is more rushed. True. This is true. No wrong, so wrong. What do you mean wrong? What's wrong? Tell me what's wrong. What did I say that was wrong? Nothing. Because I'm never wrong. I'm always right. Whoops. See, this person said, make an empty parent and rotate that. It will rotate around the parent's pivot. Okay, but I need to change the... But I need to change... This is thing's pivot. I need to move this up to change its pivot, but then I do that. And it doesn't matter, it still just rotates the triangle for some reason. Which I don't understand. I do not understand that phenomenon. Very confusing. I see. Okay, well, I feel like that's not the only reason. I feel like what I said was legitimate. Okay. Cool, I've spent 15 minutes Googling so far, so that's cool. I need to hurry more. I'm like being really chill, but... See, this is what I'm trying to do, and it's not working. It's just not working. It's just not doing it. You can parent an empty game object to the cube you create a position however you like. This will allow you to control any pivot using the parent game object. No. No, because I'm trying to do that and it's not working. I feel like it should be working. It makes sense to me, that solution. That solution makes sense to me. But it don't work, fam. It don't work. It simply don't work. Ain't working. Why? Why is the position of the parent changing with the child? That's not how this is supposed to work. What is happening? I don't understand. Most likely you see the transform gizmos from the center of the object, change it to the pivot? What? Okay. Sure, let's try that. So maybe that's bum. Center local. Pivot. Holy shit, that's exactly what it fucking is. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Well, I found the solution. Okay, it was easy. Yeah, honeypot can be stressful. Oh yeah, if you need honeypop CGs, just look them up. Like, true that. Okay, so now I have to find the right point. The right point to pivot. So I need to move this up a bit. Let's try that. I mean, it's probably not perfect, but it'll do, I think. You know, I think it'll do. Okay. So we've got that. Now we're gonna need a thing to control it. Let's make a scripts folder. And we will do cover. Can you go? I think my dog was having a nightmare. Triangle control, sure. So there's I saw that Honeypot on Twitter posted like a code, like a cheat code thing. Like, you know, similar to the ones you use to unlock outfits. I don't know what it unlocks though. He like posted it on Twitter and it was all cryptic and shit. On the Reddit, someone said, "Voila, enjoy your achievement." So it might literally just be an achievement, but hopefully it's won that. Oh, the real exciting thing, he said they're going to reveal Polly's dick. We're going to get to see what Polly's dick looks like. Isn't that exciting? I'm excited for that. That's what I'm excited for. Okay, so wait, get input. I'll just do it in update. I only have 3 hours. I can't be thinking about this crap. Input dot get key code. We'll have both A or left arrow key work. Left arrow. float rotates. No, I need to store this. Float rotation velocity. Rotation, let's have a field. Serialized field. Float rotation force. Rotation velocity. I guess it would be minus equals rotation force. So then do I multiply this by time, not delta time, I guess? I'll do that, sure, why not? What could go wrong? What could go wrong? Alright, so it'll be about 420. It'll be about 420 when I'm done. Yeah, I usually the chat goes very slow, but now I look at the chat and there's like 50 new messages, and I'm like, oh god, there's so much happening. Polly's D, what? Okay. So and then at the end of update, we're going to rotate this bitch. Transform dot rotates. How does rotate work, you ask? I don't know. Vector 3. Oh, so new vector 3. This shit, and then rotation velocity. But so I want the velocity to slow. Also, I want like gravity. Wait, I need to add here. Hopefully the direction is correct. I don't know. I might even have a bool, just for funsies. Bool flip rotation. Can you multiply by a bool? Let's find out. You can. No, you can't. Well, fuck you. Flip rotation float. Wait, no, int. Flip rotation int. I'm really good at coming up with names. If flip rotation equals -1. Oh, it wouldn't have worked anyway. So I need to multiply by this. Cool. So what CGs are they changing to reveal polys down there? I do not know. I have 2 fans that I'm already overwhelmed. I streamed on Twitch early last year for a little bit. Not very much. I was speedrunning Battle for Bikini Bottom, and I got raided, and I had like 20-something people in my chat. And it was insane. I couldn't keep up, dude. I was like so stressed out. And then I choked so hard in that run too. It still ended up PBing. But yeah. That was quite the experience. Eventually I want to double stream. Twitch is cringe. Well, eventually I want to double stream to Twitch and YouTube. Yeah, they don't allow Honeypop. Yes, true. If I stream Honeypop, then I won't be able to do that. But for non-Honeypop streams, I'll do that. Eventually, somehow. I don't know. I have to figure out how first, but... Okay, so we've got that. I probably want to have like a bool is input, I don't know, false. Is input equals true. And then if is input, or if not is input, then other shit happens. If rotation velocity, well, I guess I can just divide the rotation velocity, right? Yeah, I can just do that actually. So rotation velocity divided by equals, and then we'll do like a brake force. Brake force. It's probably not the best way to do it, but whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Don't even like Twitch at all. I watch Twitch. I mean, there's good stuff on Twitch sometimes. I don't know. But yeah, the reason I prefer YouTube streaming is because the VOD is just there then. I care about my YouTube channel first, and I want the VODs to just be videos, and that's it. I don't want to have to like download from Twitch and then re-upload it and whatever. It's just, I like that it's just there. It's just a video. I also like on YouTube how even during a stream you can rewind, whereas on Twitch that's not a thing. So that's pretty cool. Alright, hopefully this works. I don't know. Let's attach it to our triangle. Triangle control. Why isn't it showing me the values? That's weird. Why isn't it showing me these serialized fields? Kinda weird how it's not doing that. Why wouldn't it do that? Why isn't it showing me? Why? What's why? Another thing I gotta Google. Unity not showing serialized field. Compiler? Do I have a compiler error? Doesn't look like it. I created an unfinished editor for that script that didn't display anything. I deleted and everything showed up again. What? I'm confused. Recompiled are working now, so I just need to do. Can I refresh? Refresh. Reload. Re-import. Okay, I'm re-importing. I don't know. I don't know if that'll do anything. I don't know. Whatever. Hey Blaze, can I see the code? Yeah, here's literally all the code so far. Boom, there. Code. Okay, now they're showing up. Great. Rotation, let's just hit 1 and then brake force 1.1. Let's just see what happens when we do that. I don't know. Show an inspector. Wait, is that a thing? Well, it's working now. Show an inspector? Isn't serialized? What's the difference between show an inspector and serialized field? It's not a thing. It's not a thing, you fool. Maybe it was a thing. Maybe that's an old thing or something. But it's serialized field. So, I mean, I'm kind of a Unity newbie, so, like, what do I know? But it works for me. Okay. Okay, I need to flip the rotation. Also, I need to add a maximum speed for sure. Wow, it's a really strong brake force. Flip rotation. I need data max. Yeah. Max speed. I don't know. Cool that you're finishing your story, Beta. That's neato. No, I'm just gonna if statement it, whatever, who cares? Rotation velocity is greater than max speed. Then that rotation velocity is gonna equal the max speed. Boom. Boom. Oh, I just realized this is happening on me every frame. I'm stupid. Haha. 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 Dumbass over here. Haha. I was thinking of hide inspector and thought it would work the other way around. No, for some reason it's not like that. I don't know. I haven't watched the Honey Pop on Beta's channel. Maybe I will. I didn't set a max speed. What the fuck? What? If rotation velocity is greater than max speed. So it's kind of weird. I forgot to set the max speed and it didn't like do anything. It didn't like screw up. It still let me move it. I don't know. I'm confused now. Okay, it's definitely going faster, and then it stops immediately for some reason. Why? Why does it do that? Am I doing this wrong? Why would it be? That's very strange. I don't know why it's throwing an error. I don't understand. What does the error say? Assertion failed on expression. Compare approximately square magnitude to results. It just doesn't like this. When I stop. What the hell? Hold on. Debug log rotation velocity. Boom. Now everything will work perfectly. Because that's always what happens. Everything always works perfectly after I make a change. Wow, everyone's just misgendering everyone today, huh? Games, yep, games. Games are pretty cool. What is happening there? Is it this? Do I need to get rid of this? But how do I need to get rid of that. But I don't know. Is it an enter or float? Is what an enter or float? Rotation velocity? It's a float. I mean, this works. Although it doesn't work because it's not stopping. It's never stopping. Also, why isn't it doing what I'm telling it to? Why isn't it debug logging? Like the hell? Re-import. I don't know. Oh, now it's working. Wait, I think I'm just lagging. Is it lagging? It looks like kind of looks like it's lagging. Why isn't it showing in the console? Why isn't Unity working the way I'm expecting it to? Oh, you've never heard of Honey Pop? Oh, well, it's a good game. You should play it. Who wouldn't like Honey Pop? I'm gonna reopen it, I guess. I don't know why. Like, why isn't the computer doing this? I want this to happen. I want debug log, and it's not debug logging for me. Oh, they're hidden. Okay, well, I'm a dumbass. I don't know why they were hidden, but they were hidden. Also, it won't stay at the bottom for some reason. So that's kind of annoying. There we go. Oh, I got it. I'm a dumbass. I'm so stupid. Okay. Okay, I'm not doing absolute value, so it's not changing if it's negative. I'm sorry, my brain is not working today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, I have to do mathf. Mathf.abs. Did it uncollapse on the console? Well, it wouldn't make a difference for these ones. I'm pretty sure collapse only works... Yeah, it only works if it's the exact same thing it's printing. And since it's a different number every time, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I need rotation velocity to be... It's gonna be weird, but... Rotation velocity divided by rotation velocity, so it's gonna be still a 1 or a negative 1. And then it's gonna multiply by the max speed. So that should work, right? That should probably work, maybe. I don't know. Wait, that's not working at all. Oh, I see what's happening. Why is that happening? Oh, I'm a dumbass. Sorry. You would never believe that I was on math team in high school. You would never think. You would never know. And now it works flawlessly. Woo! So if I stop, it stops really fast. But I can change that. Well, the thing is, though, it's stopping every frame. I want it to be time-based. But when I made it time-based, it freaked out on me. It freaked out. How do I make it not freak out? I don't know. Not everyone knows how to code, I guess so. Math team, is that advanced math? What do you mean? It's a team. We're on a team and we go to other schools and we compete. We basically take a math quiz, and then the better school wins or whatever. They were really easy until we got like to the state level, and then it got extremely difficult. Okay. This is gonna be stupid, but let's do it. So rotation velocity, we're gonna save the sign, okay? We're gonna save the sign by doing this. Okay. And then we're gonna take rotation velocity, and we were going to... You don't need to know extreme complicated math to code. True. I might need to, not for this, but in the future, if I do. Really, the times you need to know advanced math is like graphics programming. I don't think I'm going to be a graphics programmer. I took a graphics programming course as part of my degree, but it was only one class. Like I don't think anyone's hiring me as a graphics programmer from my one class experience in DirectX 11. What was I gonna do with this? Oh yeah, rotation velocity equals absolute rotation velocity, and then we're going to subtract that by the brake force. No, that's stupid. That's not gonna work. In the future, when you develop honeypot 5s, yes, I'm gonna need to know advanced math to get the circumference of the titties just right. And the no, see that's it. It's the jiggle physics. I'm gonna need to know some pretty advanced math to get the jiggle physics just right. Oh, I definitely did not stop growing in 3rd grade. I am a big boy. I was skinny in like elementary school and no other time in my life. I was a fat baby and I'm fat now. Middle school, just boop, fat again. This is stupid. This is not how things should be done. The calculations of date gifts? I see. Well, hopefully, I mean, I'm saying if I'm developing Honeypot 5, I'm making jiggle physics a thing. It's going to be 3D. It's going to go into the 3rd dimension. I feel like I'm going really slow because I'm bad. Because I wanted to make this stupid velocity rotation bullshit, and I'm struggling at it. Because if I do this, and the brake force is more than the rotation velocity... Hold on. Clamp. So it'll clamp between 0 and infinity. Sure, I don't know. This is probably the worst way to do things, but it's what's happening, so I don't feel good about this. It's still not time-based. Wait. Times brake force, minus brake force times... That's the whole reason I did this version, to make it time-based. Now let's see if this works. Oh, it's spitting out errors, so that's cool. I'll figure that out in a second. When it came to moving objects, I used a lot of animation. I made a 2D player controller using pretty much only animations. Interesting. Beta. Oh, you changed your name. I didn't even realize. I didn't even notice you changed your name to actually say beta now. Cool. Why is this happening? Why is it giving me errors? Oh, because rotation velocity is what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? How would I even get that? So it's happening when I first turn it on. Okay. So rotation velocity is going to start at 0. So let's look at this. Oh, immediately. I'm dividing 0 by 0. So that's causing problems. I'm doing it here too. Damn it. Okay. All right. If rotation velocity is less than 0, sine equals 1. No, negative 1. 1. Else if rotation velocity, also else, sine equals 1. Okay. So it's always going to be 1 and negative 1. Here I'll put sine. Oh wait, I need to flip it though. Right? It doesn't matter. Maybe, I don't know if it matters or not. Oops. Okay, so if there's no input, then we're going to, well, let's just see if this works. It's not going to work, but. See what happens. No errors, that's good. Okay, very slowly. Okay, it is working. Great. How much time did we spend on that? 50 minutes on the stupid rotation of the triangle? Amazing. Let's change some values here. Let's make 2, 3, I don't know. Uh, 2, 1, 3. Oh, we turn the brake force up. Alright, I'm fine with that. Okay, now how do we, well, let's change the background color to black. Black, how do I make it black? Try to make it black. There we go, I have to physically drag the thing. Well, I don't want to do it yet. I want to do it when I'm close to being done. Alright, that was, alright. It's fine. Okay, so this is going to be the thing. Wait, we need to finish the So on the triangle sprite, we're going to need to make 3 more objects to be just colliders. So red surface, right? So let's add a collider. Edit the collider. $30? Looks about right, sure. Boom. Boom. Okay, so this is going to be our red surface. We can give it a little red thing. Red icon. So are they each going to have their own, like, thing? So if I rotate this object, good, it rotates the surface with it, good. So the reason why we need the collider in the child object is so that we can have 3 colliders that do different things. We're gonna have that, then we're gonna have, I don't know, blue surface. And maybe we'll actually do a yellow surface instead of a green one. Just because RGB, or like primary colors, because we did RGB last time. So let's mix it up a little bit, huh? Oh, I guess I could rotate it. So that it doesn't really matter, but just do yellow surface. -90. Cool, so we got all the surfaces. We're probably gonna need like a script for these. Let me think, how is this gonna work? The surfaces are gonna need to talk to some kind of manager probably, so we'll just, okay, we'll make a singleton, never mind. I know how I'm gonna do it, okay. Scripts, creates, subscript, I'll just call it game controller. We'll just make the game controller handle fucking everything. Except, well, not everything, but a lot of things. And then, how the fuck do I make a singleton again? Guess I could copy from past projects. Alright, here's my game controller from the last project. So, because I don't remember how to make a singleton correctly, so I'm just gonna copy that shit. Get rid of this. And then we can have int score, public void, sorry, public static void, add score, int arg, instance dot score plus equals arg. I'll keep track of the score. Cool, 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 cool. So let's make another script for the surfaces called surface script, or just surface. Let's call it surface. Why did that open? Whatever. So for this, we're going to need, okay, well, we need to know the, on collision, enter 2D. If collision.collider.tag make a field, serialize a field, string object debris. What are we going to call the objects? Like, it's going to call it debris. Debris tag equals debris tag. Then we want to game controller add score 1. Cool. And then we're also going to collision.gameObject. I'm gonna make a factory probably for the objects. Is that necessary? I don't care. I'm gonna do it anyway. Set active false. Factory is not that hard to make. It's fine. Speaking of phones, I went to the Apple store to get the battery swapped in my phone, and they refused to do it because my phone is like a little bit bent. So they were afraid of like breaking it if they tried to fix it. So I ordered a battery and I'm gonna do it myself now. I'm gonna try, and if I fuck up and break my phone, I have my old phone still that I can use as a backup if I need it. Okay, so we have this. Cool. So now we can just attach this to all the surfaces. And it's gonna be awesome. And the debris tag is gonna be debris. I don't know why it would be anything other than that, to be honest. Okay. Dex, did you sit on your phone? I mean, I probably have at some point. This is an old phone. This is an iPhone 6s Plus. So it's coming up on, it might already be 5 years old. Probably coming up on 6 this year. And I just don't want to upgrade, because I honestly, like, I would rather have this phone than any of the new iPhones. So yeah. Get a OnePlus, best gaming phone. I'm not like a mobile gamer. So I don't know. I'm not gonna buy a phone based on its gaming capabilities. I'm gonna buy a phone based on, I don't know, its screen. I watch YouTube on my phone, and I listen to music on my phone. I don't know. Good speakers, maybe, for in the shower. Okay, so let's make an empty object for the game controller. And then we'll have the game controller tell us when a score has been added. So we'll debug log. Wait. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely like, I'm interested in. I've seen like OnePlus phones; they look cool. I don't know if that's for sure what I'd get, but they look like respectable phones. Okay, so let's make the spawner now, and I'm probably going to steal code from my last project again. What's the timer at? 2 hours? Okay. Yeah, I need to steal the object pool script. I'm just going to copy that and just literally place it in the assets for this project. Fanfics are a bit weird. Eh? I think fanfics can be cool. I don't know. Okay, so we got object. Okay, so it didn't seem to register that I put that there. There it is. Okay. Object pool script. Just call it pool. We'll do a serialized field. Can I give it an array of 1? Can I do a game object array? Debris. So I can give it a selection of prefabs. And then on start, or I guess on awake, we'll do awake. Pool will equal new object pool script. We'll give it debris. And we'll set some values. I don't know. We'll set them here. So I can change it in the inspector. Not that it really matters. I mean, whatever. Don't really matter. Okay, so oh yeah, I also wanted to have damage too. My least favorite part of making a game is the game flow stuff, like setting what happens when you win and when you lose and all that. Gaming, pool gaming. Instant start. Game equals false. And then something will be done when gaming or whatever. Make it public. Wait. Public static pool is gaming. Return instance dot gaming. So I only want the debris spawner to go if it's gaming. Reverse harm, that's called a gangbang, I believe. Okay, so let's have public void toggle spawning, I guess. Spawning. If spawning equals false, flats, false, else spawning equals true. And then we can make another version of it that takes a bool and just sets it, which is probably the only one I'm actually going to use, but that's okay. Probably going to be some kind of spawn timer. It's probably going to work very similarly to my last thing. In fact, I'm going to look at the code for that. Asset scripts. Enemy spawner script. Let's take a look-see. Take a look-see at this. Okay, so I had... Right, spawn timer. Oh, right, game controller get timer, right. Right, the game controller needs to have a timer. That's the thing I need to have. Although, is there going to be a max time? Did I decide if there's a win or not? I don't know. I guess I can make the game end when you collect a certain amount of things, I guess? That could be good. Okay. Let's do that, why not? Serial field int win score. I think I need to specify them as public. Public floats max timer. So start gaming. Gaming's gonna equal true. Oh wait, I had a timer modifier. So game timer plus equals timer modifier times time delta time. Going to bed? Okay, see you, Matthew. Have a good bedtime. I'm pretty tired myself, but got an hour 50 to go. I could technically continue later, but I don't want to do that. I want to do it all in one shot. Cool. So on awake, well, on start. Let's say on start. On start, timer modifier, boom. And then when we start gaming, it's gonna equal 1. Yeah. And let's just only add score if we're gaming. Is gaming? No, just gaming. Didn't I just... Oh, I call it is gaming, okay. If instance. Instance that is gaming. Why doesn't like that? No, I want this. This is what I want. Yeah, okay. It is just called gaming. Now it's just the two of us alone what to do. I don't know. The concurrent viewers number says 3, and I think it counts me. That's another one for you. So there's a lurker. We're not alone. Not alone after all. Maybe we are. I don't know. Who knows? Who's to say, really? Actually, wait. I think I can say. It says Matthew is still technically in chat. He's still on. He's still watching. Hello, Matthew. Okay, what now? Okay, so start gaming is gonna do that. That's gonna start counting. Cool. So debris spawner. Cool. Let's have a serialized field. Let's range it between 0 and 1. No, that's not what we want. We want it to spawn immediately. So what we actually want is a vector 2 spawn rate range. Yeah. So if spawning float spawn timer. So on start, spawn timer is going to equal spawn rate range dot x, and we are going to spawn timer. Well, I guess I want this to happen in here. Spawn timer minus equals time dots delta time. You don't bite ice cream, you like it. True. But biting ice cream is unpleasant. Okay. So if spawn timer is less than or equal to 0, well then we're gonna spawn a thing, aren't we? Void spawn debris. We're going to spawn the debris, and then we'll just reset the timer here. So spawn timer equals mathf.lerp. Wait a second. I'm going to need to get the progress. Do I have a get timer? Oh, I didn't make a get timer yet. Public static floats. We'll just do get progress. Sure, yeah. Return instance dot game timer divided by instance dot max timer to get the thing between 0 and 1. And then we want spawn rate range dot x, spawn rate range dot y, and then game controller dot get progress. Boom. Gaming. Listen, we all get in a mood sometimes, okay, Beta? It's okay. It's okay. It's perfectly natural. Okay, so now I need to write these debris spawning. Game object equals pool.getObject. Why that no work? Why doesn't that work? Explain to me. Why doesn't this work? It's a type which is not valid. Oh, because object is a thing. We'll call it obj then. Okay, there we go. That fixes it. That fixes it. We haven't actually made the debris yet. I'm going to steal code from another one of my projects again. Enemy spawner. So this is code from one of my projects for school. I just want to take this, all this stuff. Boom. Just going to copy this. Paste it here and salvage what I can. World center. Well, that's going to be 0, 0. So we'll just get rid of that. Get rid of that. Sure, I'll make a field for spawn radius, I guess. Spawn radius. So we already got the object. If it's not null, then okay, so we got, okay, we're good. Whenever you can't return anything though. Cool, so that's our spawn debris. Pretty cool. Yeah, but I also, this isn't gonna make you feel better, and I'm still young, so maybe it'll pass. In fact, it'll probably pass, but I'm still like that. But I'm assuming when I get older that I won't be as like that. But I feel ya. It's like I just wanna fuck. Okay, so we have, this should be a fully functioning spawner now. I think, I don't know. So now let's make the debris, I guess. Sprites, yeah, square, whatever. Debris. Yeah, we can probably randomize the debris, so we probably only need one type of debris, actually. And we're gonna scale it. We'll have it half the size by default, but I'm sure we'll probably randomize that. Or maybe not, I don't know. How do I want to do this? I probably want it to spin or something as it's approaching. So I'm going to need the sprite rotation to be separate. Okay, first of all, I'm going to need a parent object for this. Debris, we'll call this one debris sprites. Just like we did for the other thing. Let's just make this in 0, 3, 0, and then 0, 0, 0. So we made the y 0.15. So I want 0.0. I don't know math. Hold on. How do I like eating honey? I can't say I've done it recently, but I mean, I think honey tastes good. Okay. So now we should have the pivot point closer to where we want it. It doesn't really matter that much, but it's nice to have. We need to have this have its own collider, probably a circle collider, right? Wait, not the sprite, this. Circle collider, too big, far too big. Like 0.3, too even. Yeah, I like that more. It needs to be down a little bit too. Not that much. A little bit more. There we go. That'll do. I think one of these is gonna need to be a rigid body. Or I don't think it's gonna work. So we'll make these rigid bodies, I guess. Dynamic, use auto mass, 0, 0. Kinematic? Whatever, I don't know. Rigid bodies are weird and confusing. Freeze all this shit. Oh, I need to steal more code from another one of my projects. Because this project also had things spawning in a circle and coming towards the center. So on enable, I want this. Although I'm not going to be using it yet. Scripts, debris. We need debris script. Or debris behavior. Debris behavior. Didn't do the thing I wanted it to do. It's fine. There we go. New vector 3. Okay. Got it. Angle. This doesn't really matter, right? This only matters for the sprite. I don't know. And then for updates, it's gonna go towards by speed. This up here. So hopefully if we spawn one of these, or we just leave it here, it'll do the thing. Debris behavior. Cool, let's move this here and see what happens when I hit play. Okay, it doesn't appear to be moving, interestingly enough. Oh, I know why that's happening, because I didn't set the speed. Obviously. Am I gonna randomize speed? Probably no. I think not. Maybe the speed can be based on the progress. I don't know. I'll leave it at 1 for now. It's fine. Okay, we're almost halfway done, which is oof. So we need an object for our debris spawner. This needs to be a prefab. We need a prefab folder. Prefabs. Debris go in there. Delete the debris here. Debris spawner. Get debris spawner script. Debris size 1. Take that. Initial pool amounts. We'll just say 0 and we'll cap off that, whatever. Spawn rate range. So at the beginning, let's make it every 3 seconds, and then we'll have it every 0.1 seconds. And the spawn radius. Okay, I just realized. I don't really understand how different resolutions are expected to work. I don't really understand how that works, but it's fine. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. How does it work again? Right, the game controller needs to tell it to start spawning from when it starts gaming. Okay. Public bool starts on spawn. Oh yeah, the debris spawner needs to be a singleton. It doesn't need to be, but it will be. Because it's just the easy way to do it. I don't know. I like, what can I say? I like the singletons. Actually, no, fuck that. The game controller is just going to hold a reference to it. Debris spawner. Dun, dun, dun. So when we start gaming, toggle spawning? True. Okay, let's see if this works, I don't know. Has it been 3 seconds yet? Doesn't seem like anything's spawning, and that's because I need to select this. And also I need to set a timer and like a win score. And also give this the debris spawner. Lots of things I forgot to do that are necessary in order for this to work. Also this. How far away is that? 8. Let's make it 12, I don't know. Oh, here they come. All the debris need to have the debris tag. Boom. Debris. So now it should add to score, hopefully, we'll see. Oh, I just realized I didn't even do the colors. I need to do the colors. Right now it's just gonna work with anything, on any surface, any side. That didn't add score. Why didn't they work? They're disappearing. But why isn't the game controller adding score? Surface. Game controller adds score 1. Hello, game controller, why you no do that? Oh, maybe it did, but... Oh, wait, what is... Oh, shoot. What am I debugging? This. Get rid of this. That shit's cringe. Oh, why did it happen twice? Oh, because it hit 2 surfaces at once. That's not great. Oh wait, that won't happen though, because it's going to be color specific. Okay. Okay, we're fine. So we're going to need to know more about the color of these. Oh, maybe each color can be a different prefab. And each prefab will have a different tag. Let's go with that. Wait, so each surface... Okay, okay, I got it. I understand. I have ideas. So yeah, we're going to have 3 different prefabs, and I can give the spawner different prefabs to work with. And it's just going to pick a random one, because I coded that for another project. So, yeah. So, like, this is going to be, like, red debris. Yeah, like, red debris. Rename file? Wait. Never mind. Okay, so... Wait. So you're gonna be red. What was the name of the site where you put space on a page? It's called itch.io. Like this. So you should be able to search for it, or search for my name, and you'll find my page, or whatever. I did also link it in the description of the video. Of the 3rd stream. I added it after the stream. Okay, so each surface, so let's just do red debris, blue debris, yellow debris. Cool. So then this will be, I gotta add the tags, red debris, blue debris, yellow. Cool. Go take care of your animals? Okay. See you later, Beta. Have a good time with your animals. think I'm gonna modify the Photoshop sprite to have colored sides. Let's see if that's a thing I can do. Well, should I do that, or should I just do it in here? Let's just do it in here, whatever. Sprite renderer. Red box. Oops. Get rid of the icon. Sprite needs to be a... Where's the box? Okay, never mind. Screw this. Let's just modify this thing itself. Ooh, I could, ooh, let's see what I can do with blending. Maybe that'll be a good way to do it, like a gradient overlay, a radial, no, not radial, linear, wait, reflected angle, that's what I want. And I want a 3-color gradient with exactly these colors. I don't think this is gonna work for me though. Because the transition, there's no transition, basically. Whoa. So how could I fix this? Maybe a 4? Do we need a 4-color? Like 4-color with yellow at both ends? This, I need to make sure it's the same yellow. Like a bright... Copy that. Put that there. Okay, so then we got our red and our blue. Okay, and then we can rotate 30 degrees. That looks dumb. That looks really bad, actually. But that's how it... So align with layer. What if I move this like upward? No. Okay, different plan, new plan. We're going to use the polygon tool again. And the way it's going to work... No, I don't want... How do I move just the points? Is that a thing I can do? What? This one can be a red triangle. Rasterize the shape. Okay, fine. I see. Oh, is it rasterized now? Is that what just happened? It is. Crap. Okay. I see what I did. So let's make this one blue. Why did that not work? Why, like, why just work? Just do the thing I ask, please. That'd be cool. Okay. I don't know why that didn't work, but whatever. Image, flip horizontal. No, not the whole thing. Obviously, I wasn't talking about the whole thing. Layer, image adjustments. Layer. How do I flip just one layer? Photoshop is so unintuitive sometimes. Photoshop, flip a layer. Edit, transform. Edit. I'm sure it's somewhere. Transform, flip horizontal. Boom. Let's make a third one. And make it like yellow. Is this the correct orientation? Probably not. The answer is no. Red surface, red icon, red, blue, yellow. What the f? Red. Oh my god. Blue. Yellow? Is that yellow enough? Sure. Oh, it's... There we go. Okay, this isn't quite right. Doesn't quite look correct. I guess I can just do this. Boom. There we go. It's a bit weird. Export. Colored triangle. Sprites. Our triangle sprite will be a colored triangle. Why is it bigger? Oh, I know why it's bigger. No, I don't want to open it. Apply. Cool. Now we have that. So, I don't know. Hopefully things will work. I kind of like the way it looks with the orbs around them. Okay, so if I need to aim the red zone at these ones, because these are red ones. Boom. Okay. Oh god. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. This is fun. This is cool. I like this. That being said, we have an hour and 12 minutes left to complete it, which is unfortunate. Okay. So these prefabs have different tags. Okay, so let's create a prefab variant. Call it yellow debris. And it will be the same, except it will be yellow. Like that-ish, yellow. Boom. And then its tag will be yellow debris. Wait, not that tag. This tag. Yellow debris. Cool. And then another prefab variant. Blue debris. Open prefab. Blue debris will be blue. It'll be blue as hell. And it will be tagged as such. Cool. So let's see if it works. The pivot's a little off, but I think it's fine. I think it's actually more the Photoshop sprite that's off, which I can actually fix. Oh, it's not. I didn't give the debris spawner all the types. Blue debris and yellow debris. So now it should randomly grab them. Touch yellow, see if it works. Boom. Oh, but that's not gonna work. Oh, but this one will work. Oh. And then, oh, nice. Nice. You know, for the theme being triangles, I feel like this is about as good as I could reasonably do. Oh. Alright, I like when they line up like this. That feels good. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Nope, just take it. Take the damage. Oh my god. No. No. Holy Jesus Christ. Oh my god. This is far too much. Okay, it's fun though. It's fun. I like it. I enjoy this. Cool. Cool. So now what? I guess we make the UI. I guess. I don't know. Let's make a canvas. Scaler. Scale with screen size. Reference resolution 1600 by 900. Match width or height. I don't know what that means. Oh, I guess I understand. I kind of just want to stretch or expand. Wait, stretch. Why isn't stretch an option? Whatever. Hopefully this will work. Hopefully this will be good enough. So we got our canvas. Let's create an empty object called UI. Put the canvas in it. So it's our canvas. Boom. It's big boy canvas. So then we can create like our title, we can have our manager and everything. Yeah, so I'm kind of tempted to just copy from the other game. Can I do that? Like just copy the assets from the other game, because it's essentially going to be the same type of title screen. I have an hour to do UI and game flow. Okay. Just go UI text. Call it title. What font is it going to be? Probably the same font as last time. All right, width, height. Centered and everything. What's the title of the game gonna be? Let's make it italicized and white. Video game. Kind of like just Arial font. I might just keep it as Arial. Should I make it italic bold? Nah. The thinner one looks better. Having a stroke trying to remember how they're trying to come up with a good way to do this. Probably, I mean, I'm probably just gonna end up doing it the same way I did with the last one, right? Let's just copy and paste title. Call it restart. I don't know. Press R to start. A little bit smaller font. Video game. Press R to start. Actually, this can be down here, I guess. Title can be a bit lower. Kind of want the background to just be black. Just do that now. Okay, so the game controller is going to be looking for input. if gaming, or if, sorry, if not gaming, then if input dot key down key code dot r then we will start start gaming, yeah. And then start gaming is going to mean we do UI stuff. So we're going to have a stop gaming, probably just for this though. And we're going to have a public static void game over. Wait, there's not going to be a game over though, so we're fine. We don't even need that. I'm also realizing the timer modifier doesn't matter because I'm checking if gaming anyway, so we can just screw that, I guess. Timer modifier, forget that. Who needs it? Not me, that's for sure. Go to that. If game timer is greater or equal to max timer, then we're going to want to stop gaming. I know the idea of not gaming is terrifying, because we all love gaming. Sometimes you just gotta stop, you know? Just gotta stop. It's time to stop. Okay, so that's gonna check for R again. Cool. So we should have like a pretty functional... We need the score too. Right. To the object, no, UI, I'll just copy paste. Boom. We'll have the score down here again. Score, boom. We want it to be aligned to the left. And at the bottom, which means it's going to be way down there. Which means I guess we just want it at 0, 0, basically. Maybe 5, 5, actually. Or 10, 10. Or more, we'll figure it out. This is score. Yeah, so we're definitely going to have a UI manager to deal with all this. To, you know, manage it. So 230, and then here we'll have negative 230. Nice, nice. Can the score be normal? Yeah, I guess. I guess so. Yeah, so we need a UI manager. How much time do I got left? Less than an hour. I think we're fine on time, actually. I feel like I've gotten good at time management, like knowing, like I feel like the scope of the project here is like perfect. And also with the last game jam, the scope of the project, I was able to do exactly what I wanted. I feel like I've gotten good at that, I don't know. All that working on projects during school has taught me things. I mean, if someone was trying really hard, if they knew exactly what they were going to do and how to do it, they could make this way quicker than me, but I could make it quicker. If I tried to replicate this, I could, and like really tried to go fast and I wasn't streaming, or if I was streaming and just wasn't really paying attention to streaming, could probably do it way faster, but Whatever. I don't want serialized field. Well, do I? I want serialized field. Might as well, whatever. Text. UI, no, I need UI.text. UI.text. Some shit. That's not gonna work. There we go. Title. Restart score. Public void update score. Int arg. Score.text equals score plus arg. Probably don't even need any of this crap. For this, I'll actually include strings here. Title dot text equals arg. Oh, and then I'm going to want to have updates for all these too. Update, restart. Restart's going to be the same, so I don't need that. But I will have enable title. Cool. Title dot game object dot set active arg. Nice, nice. So we need a field for the game controller to handle this stuff. We have to take it in. UI manager, just call it UI, whatever. So when we start gaming, no, let's stop gaming. When we start gaming, UI dot enable title false. And then we'll want to enable it again. Oh, but we're gonna want to do like game over or a game win. You can't lose though in this game. You can get a negative score. Should we make it so it bottoms out at 0? I don't know. I kind of like the idea of having a negative score. Well, actually, maybe not. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, do we want to have blinking? We had blinking. Yeah, I want to make the score blink. Okay. Blink score. Oh, that means we're going to need update and all that, whatever. Whatevs. We'll score blink. Score blink equals arg. I got rid of start and update, but I guess we're going to need start and update after all. Score blank equals false by default. And then update. We're going to have a timer. Okay. Score blank timer. Set it to what I have it set to, half a second last time, I think. Let's go with that. Score blank timer minus equals timer. Nope. Time.delta time. And then if score blink timer is less or equal to 0, then I'll have a toggle. No, never mind. Oh, I only want to do this if score blink. Yeah. So pop that shit in there. You okay, Gover? What's up? Good boy? You a good boy, Gover? My dog was... I think he was having a nightmare. Okay. Another if score dot game object dot active in hierarchy, then I want to score dot game object dot set active equal to false, or else I want to score dot game object dot set active equal to true. Yeah, programming, baby. I did that right? True to false, false to true, yeah. Oh, and we set the timer. I'll just hard code it to 1 or half a second. Or should I? I want to make a field for it. I can't resist, okay? I can't resist. Blink speed. Score blink speed. Boom, boom, boom. Okie doke. What now? Where are we at? How much time we got left? 50 minutes. Okie doke. We're like basically done. I mean, we're getting there. Title, restart, score blink speed 0.5. Then we need the game controller to tell it to do those things. So when we stop gaming, UI dot blink score true. Then we start gaming again. False. Yeah, actually, we're probably not going to change the title because there's no lose condition. So we can just display the title again rather than like a game win. Probably. I don't know. No, actually, let's not do that. UI update title. Time's up. We'll say time's up. Sure. Should probably have a timer too. I should probably have a timer too. Like a time left. Is that worth it? Is that thing I want to do? Well, we can, you know what we can do? We can scale an object to be... We're going to have a timer bar. That's what we're going to do. At the top of the screen... Yeah, let's do that. That'll be fun. It'll still probably be part of the UI, I guess. Let's create... Well... Should it be an image? Maybe it should be a sprite. I don't know. And just put it at the top of the screen. Wait, so if I change the resolution, it should scale with it, yeah. Good, we good. That's what I needed in my last project, was that. I want to have a scale thing. What's the best way to do this? We could just put it at the top of the room, I guess. A progress bar, that's what it would be called. Zoom in down to the scene, and then add a sprite square. Put this all the way over here. I don't know why 8.9 is the magic number, but apparently it is. We can just even move, we don't even need to scale it, we can just move it to there or something. Make it thinner, that's a good size. I don't know why the Z is so, just randomize the Z value, it's weird. Alright, 45 minutes, getting down to the wire here. Create progress bar. So what happens if I scale this? If I scale, that's what I want. Yes, that's what I need. Oh, it has some not white at the top. It's kind of unfortunate. Whatever, we'll deal with it. We'll deal with it. Or maybe I'll just make my own square. Be nice if I could, like, override... Wait, HSV? No, not HSV. It doesn't matter. I just don't like that it has the like gray edges, but I'm sure I'll get over it. Okay, so now we want to have a script to control this. Progress bar. Oh, whoops, I already made one? I already made one. It's taking a really long time to delete that, apparently. Okay, delete those two. Make new thing. Down, 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 down. Okie doke. Float, scale, size, I don't know. Sure, size. Start is going to be size is equal to transform dot scale dot x. Or size multiplier, I guess. Whatever. And then so we're gonna do transform.localscale.x. Can I modify it? Yeah, it looks like it. Nope. Nope. Can't modify it. It's not a variable. Then how do I scale things exactly? How's that gonna work? Whoops. Game object dot scale. No, transform dot local scale. There we go. So this is going to take a vector. Wait, 2 vectors? Multiplies 2 vectors component. What? I need to steal code from another thing again. Health bar. Where's my health bar? Where's my health bar? Where's my health bar? Is it in the plant manager? Let's look at this plant manager. Health bar. Okay, and then an update. Transform local scale. Oh. So local scale equals new vector 3. Just gonna do 1 point that. And then we want size times game controller dot get progress. Boom. Easy. Still alone? That's cringe. Hey. You're being mean. Alright, that should work. Am I doing all the correct stuff in the game controller? I don't think I am. Where is my, here it is. Enable title. I need to enable restart as well. Where's my UI manager? Enable title. I need to enable restarts. Instead of this shit, I'm going to UI.update, whoops, not that, update score with instance.score. Oh, sorry, instance.ui.instance.update.score.com. So when I start gaming, I'm gonna want score to go back to 0. Score equals 0. And I'm gonna want to update score. Boom. Is that it? Is all the game flow stuff done? So game controller, debris spawner. Let's turn down the spawning just for this test. The game controller, oh, it needs the UI manager. I haven't had a burger in years, now I want one. I haven't had a burger, I haven't had like a real burger in a while. Although it hasn't been years. I have had White Castle sliders pretty recently though. I feel like the White Castle sliders are kind of in their own category. They're like really small and really thin. I don't know, I kind of see it as its own thing. It's not like a burger, you know? You can eat like 7 of them. Or I can eat 7 of them. Max timer, let's just set it to 30. Oh, that's right, we were gonna have a win score. There's not gonna be a win score. The win score is irrelevant. You can't win this game, wahaha. Although you can't lose either. Okay. Boom, video game. Press R. Oh, that doesn't go away. I need that to go away. Game controller, start gaming. Oh, I'm enabling it. False. What should I name this game? We gotta come up with a name. Okay, the progress bar is working. It sure is spawning a lot of red ones. See, this is a problem. This is a problem I ran into last time too. Okay, I need to. In the debris spawner, I'm gonna have a clear thing. Public void, clear debris. Pool.clear. That was the thing I programmed for the last project. When I stop gaming, clear the debris. What's a good burger place over there? Where do you get a burger from if you were to get a burger? I just reached level 216 in one of my games. Limit was 200, but was changed to 250 after New Year's. What game? What game is it? Is it like an MMO or something? Or like a mobile game? Plenty of fast food places. But if you were to get a burger, which one would you get it from? What exact burger do you crave? Dream girlfriend, okay. Sounds like a game I'd like. Unless do you play as the dream girlfriend, or do you have a dream girlfriend in the game? Wait, you literally have a restaurant called American Hot Dog? That's awesome. I never really thought about that before, like how other countries like have American restaurants. I've never thought about that. Like, it makes sense. I mean, we have like Chinese restaurants and Mexican restaurants here. In the game, you can have up to 8 girlfriends. Used to be 7 before New Year's. Girlfriend can be locked at a certain level. Interesting. Okay, I made this level too long. I made it 4.5 minutes. It should probably be closer to like 3 minutes. Oh, right, I wanted to make their speed scale with the progress. Is that still a thing worth doing? Sure. Alright, debris behavior. We have speed. So we want... Let's multiply this by game controller.get progress. So this will be from 0 to 1. So this is going to scale the speed, but that's not what I want exactly. Let's do vector to speed range. And we'll do a linear interpolation. ff.lerp. And we'll do speed range .x, speed range .y, and game controller .get progress. Boom. Wait, really? That's crazy. A cop car that makes sure she stays home. Wow. That's interesting. Did I go from 2 to 4? I don't know. Oh jeez, it's getting really fast. Sorry, I saw you had a new message. I just focused on the game. Oh god. Oh my god, this is, oh god, oh jeez. Okay, I think I need to adjust the controls a bit. What's funny is that her husband had last summer, so the cost kind of took the same house as what you get if you leave the country to sell secondhand cars, not stay at home. I'm eating sticks that taste like cheese, and I found a slightly bent one. I will sell them on Craigslist for millions of dollars. Great. Sell it on Craigslist for millions of dollars. And then you can afford the gas to go to McDonald's. Many times, actually. So much McDonald's. Why don't we just set these all to 3? What would happen? You can't drive? Well, learn to drive. It's just that easy. It's just that easy. Well, when you're 18, then you can go to McDonald's and you can get all the McDonald's you want. I feel like this is still too long. Should I only make it 2 minutes? Let's go with 2 minutes. I'll even start the spawning faster. And actually, I want the speed increase to be pretty minor. How much time do I have left? 20 minutes? Okay. That's plenty of time. We're basically done. Just adjusting stuff at this point. Also, I still need a title, actually. Like Prism. Prism something. Prismatic Asteroid. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh god. Okay, it gets impossible at the end. Jesus. Oh my. Oh yeah. That's too much. That's. No one can do that. What if I just spin? Will I win? No. Okay. That might be a bit much. That might be a little bit much. What if we cap it at 0.5? Bunch of romance novels that contain naughty slang over my bookcase, and my girlfriend decided out of all the places in the world that she'll put the Bible next to them. That's funny. Oh god. Oh god. That's probably good. I'm happy with that. If I were a TV show character, I would be the hopeless lover. Because he keeps falling in love, only dreams about having a family, but never gets the happy ending she wants. Same, but without the family. Because, like I said last time, I don't want kids, but yeah. I hadn't. Good thing I'm testing the restart feature now. Because I hadn't. And it don't work. Oh, I need to reset the timer. That's the problem. Okay. So start gaming. Whoa. Do that. How much time? 60 minutes. 78. And restart? Cool, restart works. Cool, so the game is, I think, done. I feel like the game's done. I just need to come up with a title. I think I messed around with like prismatic, what'd I say? Prismatic asteroids? I don't know. Because Matthew was saying, he was like, asteroids has triangles. And there's triangles in this, because the theme is triangles. And its colors are like, go to thesaurus. And let's search triple Temery. What does Temery mean? A group of three. Like Temery prisms. Wait, what about this? What about primary prisms? It's great because it's an anagram, not an anagram, an alliteration. It's an alliteration, and it's using the primary colors. I like primary prisms. Yeah. Score should probably just say 0 to start out with. Woo. I could add like a better background, like a spacey background or something. That might be a good idea. How much time do I have left? 12 minutes? Space. Tools. Creative Commons. I want like a dark space. These are way too noisy images. High resolution. This? I don't know. Nah, it's not in space. It's not a game in space. I'll just leave it how it is, I think. I can fix the progress, but I'm happy with where it's at, I think. I think this is good. Let's try to build it. Build settings. Windows 86. Oh, I need to modify the player settings. Oh, I want to change the scaler. Canvas scaler. Allow dynamic resolution. Scales render textures for more dynamic resolution if target platform API supports it. Sure. Or not, whatever. I'm not super familiar with resolution scaling. Is this still... Okay, it is. I was making sure it was still the Pizzle pack. I don't want to get copyright struck or something. Oh, 10 minutes. I mean, we've this stuff like exporting, compiling. This doesn't really count to us as time. So we've basically fulfilled. We've made the game within the time limit. We're good. Match width or height, expand, shrink. I don't know what that means. Let's go to player settings. enable resizable window. Let's build and run, see what happens. Right. Unity builds. Primary prisms. Boom. Oh, I don't have sound. I just realized this game completely lacks sound. Also, why is the window so big? What happens if I resize it? Ah, it shrinks. Whoops. Wait. Okay. I can play in this little box. Ooh. Ah, and it actually uses the window. Interesting. I thought I set the game to be player settings, other settings. Default is native resolution. Okay, here we go. 1600 by 900. Let's just use the same folder. Yeah, I forgot sound, but oh well. Oh well. Cool, we got the game. We can resize the window. Cool, cool, cool. Wait, why is that causing... Oh no, it's not working. Why isn't it working? Wait, why are... Oh, the colors aren't showing up right. What? Wait. Wait a second. Why is that happening? Why would that happen? Triangles, red surface, blue surface, yellow surface. How come when I build it, it's different? Blue debris. Wait, what the fuck? Why? How did these? Why are these? What? How did these get messed up? I want red and blue and yellow. I don't know how that changed. It's kind of weird. What the fuck? Welcome back. I just encountered a weird bug that I think I fixed. I don't know what happened. That was super weird. Did building the game cause that? The hell? Let's try building it. Why is the window this size now? Red goes to red. Blue does not go to yellow. Okay, it's working now. It's working. And window resize working. What if I full screen it? Okay. Oh, that one got stuck. What the hell happened there? I think that's a rare bug on account of me moving the window. I think that's what that is. Voice was a bit bugged for a moment. Yeah, that'll happen. That'll happen. It's just because of the noise background, like the background noise remover that I'm using. It just does that sometimes. Okay, so we need to compile the game with WebGL, which means I need to install the WebGL plugin. WebGL build support, done. Install that. Hopefully it doesn't require a restart. If it does, I will have to end the stream. Although I'm probably going to be ending the stream pretty darn soon anyway. Because I'm done with the game, I just need to submit it now. Compile and submit it. I'm sure the timer's... Oh, I still got 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Well, whatever, we did it. It's fine. Well, I'll keep it going. Does it make noise when it's done? It does. I don't want to hear it. I'm installing the Unity plugin thing. Went outside and my boy duck chased me, so I gave him a huggy. Obviously that's what he wanted. Don't hug ducks that chase you, that means they are violent. Oh. Okay. I'll keep that in mind. Next time a duck chases me. So tomorrow we're gonna do Little Nightmares 2 speedruns again, and then the day after that we're gonna do Honey Pop speedruns, so that should be fun. I only hug my boy duck because I know he just plays me and he would never hurt me. That makes sense. I guess this is goodbye. I'm ending the stream very soon, probably. Not like right now. Actually, I might as well. I mean, I'm just gonna install the WebGL plugin and then export it and then submit it. So yeah, I guess this is a good time to stop. So yeah, Little Nightmares 2 tomorrow night, and then the night after Honey Pop. And then probably Splitgate forever. Just kidding. But I did really enjoy playing Splitgate, and I want to do it more on stream. So you can probably expect that in the future. Although I don't know if I'll be streaming a lot next week because it is finals week for me. So it's going to be a very, very busy week, so I don't know. We'll see. I can probably still do shorter streams. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, so that's it then. Have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. Join the. I'll put the Discord link after the stream in the description. And yeah, see you later.